And now, let's study our second chord in detail.
Here comes the D chord. Starting from the bottom, place your forefinger on the third string, second fret. Then your middle finger on the first string, second fret, and your ring finger on the second string, third fret.
Press your thumb well on the back of the neck. Keep each finger on its proper string. Be careful not to touch other strings.
Now, try strumming with your right hand.
Try to avoid strumming the sixth string, as its sound doesn't belong to this chord.
To confirm, check each string individually
And in succession. That's it. Have fun!
Have fun!